Mac T back, and we have for our garage video today some XLG KYB shocks. That's right, something I use on my vehicles all the time, and in this case these are going on to a Ford Edge 2011. I have used these for years, and I've tried Monroe's, and I got the Motorcraft, oh yeah, but I like the fact that these shocks are just a tad bit firmer. Like them better. Yeah, you give up just a tad bit on the ride, but I think the longevity of them, just like the original Motorcraft shocks, are good. I've only replaced one set of these, but they were under warranty and started leaking, but they had like 90,000 miles on them. So I took advantage of the lifetime warranty since I bought them and got new ones, so I didn't even have to pay for the set. So that really worked out good. So the warranty on them is really good. They'll back it up, and I did that. It comes with your standard rubber mounts and washers, and then you got your two nuts that go there. So, you know, you sandwich these together. In case you didn't know, a little bit of a shock basics. Excuse me. And what you do is you put this on here like this. You want to sandwich it just like that. You want the metal part against the backstop of the shock itself, and then when you take and you put it together, you will then have the other one put in like so. So it'll be put in just like that, and and this rubber part will come down or come up, whichever way you want to do it. No real right or wrong at that point. But you want the rubber for the body, because the body's going to go in between here. So, you know, when you got that, you don't want metal on metal. That's going to make a lot of noise. See? Yeah, you don't want that. So you want the actual body in between these. So when you put them on, they'll look like this when you go ahead and slide them on. And then you'll put the nuts on top of it, on the shaft, put down first one, tighten it up good, then lock it down with the second one. That's how that's all supposed to work. So these are the KYB. They're made in Japan, and the part number for them is 349142, and that is for this model of vehicle I'm putting these on. But real quick view, you cut this, and then you might want to have something or be really strong to push this up to get the through bolt on here when you go to put them in. But I always put this in first, and if I have to, I use a car jack that I have and just jack it up a bit till it matches the hole. That usually works out the best. So that's how I do it, but I always get this installed first. So I'm going to go ahead, install these in another video, but I just wanted to do a quick product review on these KYB XLGs so that you guys could see what they are and why I use them. Remember, like, subscribe, Mac T Garage, and also make sure that you take and go to Mac T Garage on Facebook. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. And Band of One's got some great music, and Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners. Now we always want to check our shock, so we're going to see how long it takes that thing to expand. It's crazy, isn't it? There you go. 119, almost 120,000 miles on that OE shock Motorcraft.
Thank you for watching Mac T's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.